Oh yeah, to you guys.
Season 2, episode 2. Okay, we're gonna cheers to you. Ooh,
Hey. We're nerds.
Thank you for coming back. Okay, we are just gonna do a quick little check-in. Okay,
Throwback Thursday. That's what they call it.
But it's our check-in.
It is.
However, okay, we're airing this on Thursday. And we're gonna try to do a Throwback Thursday every so often. Okay, but the reason for it being a throwback is because of our shirts.
That dance was funny, but I was actually showing off the shirt.
But our shirts say embrace your essence.
Yes.
Okay, I made these for us as well as a group of other lovely young ladies.
How many were there? I think it was like 7 of us. It was a big
I think
group.
so.
Yeah,
We did have
so much
we went
fun.
kind of deep to
So
the
much
Essence
fun.
Festival
Yes. Just last
year.
Yes, but this year is their 25th anniversary.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and we're gonna try to go.
Yes, we are going to try to go, and I was about to shout out because I received the email and I was like, oh my goodness, Brande, Michelle Obama will be there. They just dropped that bomb and I'm like, girl, we got to get our money right. We got to get on the road.
I think it was intentional.
Something, yeah, oh yeah, definitely. So I'm like, oh, I hope we get to go. But if not, whatever, we'll still celebrate.
Right. So even when we went to the Essence Festival, first of all, we got to see JBolin. We did mention it in season 1. The fact that we were able to watch one of his fashion shows and just how he reconstructs outfits and just caters to the body. It's just like a tailored situation. You're just like, oh my gosh.
And what he teaches too, you remember he was like
cinching your waist.
Yeah, that's like a belt, and he was like, don't pose down here, like pose up here, bring it into the waist, and now like all of our photos.
Right, and I mean, speaking of posing, okay, this one here. Okay,
Girl,
just got selected by random. Because she was just there. She was just being fabulous. And they said, you, over there, pretty black woman, come over here and model for us. She modeled on the same stage.
Come back, get the camera. No one's going to believe me. Oh, it was so amazing. Literally the same stage that he sat on. And as you know, we're huge fans of his.
What was that area
The
called?
Beauty Carnival.
Yes.
Oh,
also styles Tamia, the R&B singer.
Yes.
Sarah Jakes Roberts, Michelle Williams from Destiny's Child.
Wait till you see this piece.
Oh my gosh. And
he's so awesome.
Reverend Gray.
Yes.
John
Gray. Avatar. Maybe.
Is it Avenger?
Avenger. Oh my goodness. Totally butchered that. I'm sorry. She's fabulous, girl. You look good. You look good because I know you tuned in. You look great.
Yes. But her looks are great too. But the thing about JBolin, like we said before, you can see right away without even knowing who styled these people.
Yeah.
Or whomever.
Colors,
he also did Patti
patterns.
Smith,
Yes.
Emma Smith's wife.
I forgot about that.
But when he styles them, you can tell.
Yeah.
You can tell that they've been rolling with JBolin.
Yeah. He's even doing home decor.
Oh, he has a home?
Oh, are you like, housewarming?
Whoa.
Hands. It's okay. We'll just stick to the attire. We'll talk about homes later.
But you guys should definitely check out because he just came out with a new line.
Yeah.
We're hoping, the thing about his line though is that it works for us and what we're doing because his sizes go from like 0 to 3X.
Yeah.
So we could get the pieces that we want.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they sell out fast. So.
I was just about to say that. Like, seriously.
Can't sit on your hands.
Sold out. Like, I mean, I'm trying to bring y'all. We're trying to bring you something.
Right.
Like, seriously.
But you look up and it's gone.
Yeah.
But the pieces are just that. They're unique, but they're just beautiful pieces.
And we have a couple of like pieces that are pretty
Inspired.
close. Yeah. So even one of the outfits that we just love that Tamia wore, we have a blazer very close, like very close to that.
Just
one.
the houndstooth print, but then he went in and just cut it. And just made it asymmetrical.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna cut our blazer.
I'm about to say, you couldn't have
No.
I'm not gonna
I like it. We'll show you some pictures later. We might wear it in the next episode, but we're not cutting it. But we'll show you what he did with Tamia's though. Okay?
Promise.
Yes. So let's cheers one more time.
Hey,
okay.
So you just want to sip.
I mean, that's fine. I mean, whatever. Okay.
No judgment.
Thank you. Please come back and see us. Okay. Let us know how you are inspiring others, or if we maybe. Okay. Yeah. Not to.
What?
Maybe.
That's the purpose. We want to inspire them.
Yes, we do want to inspire your attire. Send us stuff.
Oh, that'd be
comment
cool.
down
Pictures.
below. You can send us things in the DMs on the Instagrams.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We're here for it. Whatever you'd like to send. Okay. But cheers.
Another cheers. Okay.
We gotta actually end this time. Cheers. Thanks for watching.
Bye.